The Solar Pathfinder has been the standard in the solar industry for site shading analysis since the late 1970s. Although the Pathfinder provides a full year of accurate solar data, a site tracing takes only minutes and requires no special skills or technical know-how. The Solar Pathfinder can be used any time of the day, any time of the year, in either cloudy or clear weather. One simple tracing does the job and becomes a permanent record of your solar data. The Solar Pathfinder is quick and simple to set up. There are three main parts to the Pathfinder. First, the base is set on its tripod in a reasonably level position. The instrument section of the unit is then placed on the base. It is then rotated until the magnetic compass is pointing north. The sun path diagram can also be rotated separately to adjust for magnetic declination, so the diagram is facing true south. The bubble level, located in the center of the unit, is then used to establish a level position by rocking the instrument section back and forth on its base. Finally, the reflective dome is placed on top of the unit. Using the Pathfinder is as simple as tracing an outline onto a piece of paper. The shading analysis is done by looking at two things at the same time: a panoramic view of the site reflected on the dome, and the sun path diagram seen through the dome. Where objects reflected on the dome show over the sun path arcs on the diagram, shading occurs at the site during the time and months indicated by the diagram. By tracing an outline of the objects reflected on the dome directly onto the sun path diagram using the marking pen provided, a permanent record of the potential solar radiation can be made. To find the percentage of radiation for each month, add the small numbers in the unshaded part of each sun path arc. This information is multiplied with local radiation data, such as NREL data, to determine the potential radiation available at the site. The simplicity of the Solar Pathfinder allows instantaneous information to compare multiple sites and find the optimal location for solar panels. The heart of the Solar Pathfinder is the sun path diagram. The vertical rays on the diagram show the solar time. The concentric arcs show the sun's average path for each month of the year. Small numbers along each monthly arc indicate the percentage of solar radiation in half-hour increments. These numbers add up to 100% of the solar radiation potentially available during that month. The diagrams are latitude-specific and available for all the populated world. This is because the closer your location is to the equator, the more the sun's path is overhead. Therefore, the sun path arcs will be closer to the center of the diagram. The further away your location is from the equator, the more the sun's path is down on the horizon, so the sun path arcs will be further away from the center of the diagram.